Severe corrosion perforation confirmed on the frame rails. Marking coordinates for fabrication.
Second coat application is successful. Confirmed. The emerald tone is rich.
Did it! This is unbelievable.
The thermal readings confirm extensive nesting here, near the battery housing. They are drawn to the heat.
Can the structure withstand?
They're responding well to the frequency. Almost there. Seal this section completely. We don't want any gaps.
Confirmed. All clear. Finally, I'm beat. All right, team, review the electrical components procedure. Hazards remain high. Structural instability and airborne pathogens. Maintain absolute precision. Acknowledged. Respirator check complete. Tablet confirmed. Perimeter secure.
Power isolated. Confirmed. Bracing secure. Moving the crane in now.
The battery cannot be safely disposed of through normal channels. It will require specialized hazmat handling.
Tension steady. Beginning the lift sequence now. Maintaining slow ascent.
Copy that. Wheels clear of ground level. Significant debris cascade confirmed.
Severe corrosion perforation confirmed on the frame rails. Marking coordinates for fabrication.
Bring her up another click on the aft cradle. Hold for balance confirmation. Steady as she goes. Vehicle secure. Confirmed positioning. Initiating diagnostic sequence. Status on the high voltage checks, Elena.
Safety checks confirmed. The system is fully discharged and secured, Marcus. Battery isolation complete. System verified at 0 charge. Documentation uploaded.
Seat is clear. Did you get the photos of the rust on the bracket? Yes, and the mildew spread. Logging component removal now. Condition severe. I recognize these buildings. I worked there a decade ago. If we can identify this family, we have to find them. This is a reunion project.
The high-voltage contactors and cooling systems are severely oxidized, but the stator assembly appears structurally sound.
Agreed. The core motor might be salvageable.
Winding resistance and insulation integrity look good. Rotor is balanced. 8 to 5% functionality. It's salvageable.
That's excellent news.
Safety harnesses secured. Attachment points verified and locked.
Confirmed, Marcus. Authorization granted for extraction sequence. Begin lift.
The scan confirms extensive warping and material loss.
Yeah, that's a lot of red on the visualization. Are we sure it's worth the effort?
It is. We'll start with straightening and comprehensive welding. We can fix this. We're ahead of schedule on this section.
Components are cleaning fast.
Final measurements look good. We're clear for assembly.
It's a match. The Silva family, they're alive in São Paulo.
Make the call.
Hello, Mr. Silva. We found your vehicle in the Amazon jungle and we are restoring it now.
Oh, thank God.
We're going to complete the restoration and reunite you with your family's vehicle.
Electrical integrity is perfect, and insulation integrity is at 100%.
Clear this section for primer application.
The spectrometer confirms the match. Delta E is below 0.5. The emerald green hue consistency is perfect for the vehicle application. Surface preparation is optimal. Equipment calibrated.
Initiate sequence 1.
There it is. The emerald green is stunning. Flawless first coat application.
Second coat application is successful. Confirmed. The emerald tone is rich.
Uniform thickness confirmed. No imperfections.
Documentation complete. The emerald finish is flawless.
We need to ensure the suspension mounts are torqued before the battery pack integration. The diagram confirms that step. Let's prep the connectors. We are perfectly aligned on the mounting brackets.
Electrical systems are green, Marcus. Ready for installation.
Bring it down 5 millimeters. Perfect alignment.
Contact. She's in. Tightening the first bolt now.
Factory specifications confirmed on screen. Torque sequence initiated, setting to 80 foot-pounds. Check the alignment geometry now.
Harness is green. Moving to suspension.
Interior bracing is locked.
Copy that. Panels are ready for installation. All right, let's lower the dash assembly in now. Watch the connectors. Got it, looks good.
Securing the passenger side mount.
Fit and finish on the door handle is precise. Quality check confirmed. Ready for final sign-off.
The finish is flawless.
Months of work, worth every second.
System check complete. All readings are perfect.
All connections secure. The engine bay is ready.
Look at that wine. Systems nominal.
It's beautiful. Absolutely perfect.
Motor temperature optimal. Battery discharge rate perfect. All systems nominal. Suspension and brakes functional. It worked.
You did it. It's perfect. Flawless. Absolutely flawless. It runs perfectly. We did it.
Oh, Marcus, I'm so proud of you. We finally did it.
This is unbelievable.
And that is a wrap on the electric serpent. I didn't think I'd ever see her like this again. She's absolutely perfect.
It's really the car.
Your vehicle has been fully restored. The motor runs perfectly.
The systems are all new. You have a car that's better than new.
I can't believe how smooth the ride is. It feels brand new.
And it's so quiet.
This is amazing, Dad. Welcome back, Elena. The car is finally home.
It looks incredible. More beautiful than I remember.
We finally made it.